Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from isocialyou.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about InVideo. It's one of the best social media video creators in 2019 and beyond. I remember back in the day when I discovered Canva, I was so excited because we were cranking out those images without any complicated tools like Photoshop and in just seconds and minutes. InVideo is similar but for video. You can create amazing videos for your social media channel. So think of Facebook, Instagram stories, and even your ads, social media ads, you can create in matter of seconds and minutes using this tool. All right, so let's jump into this video and let me do a quick demo. And first, let me just kind of give you a background or tell you what this tool has. And then we will log in and I will create a video right in front of you and show you how powerful and easy this tool is. So first of all, so what do you have inside this tool? So you can create videos, tell your stories, you can create promo videos, Instagram stories. This is amazing. Instagram stories are growing like crazy. I believe the recent number is there are more than 500 million active users on Instagram stories. So you should definitely be using stories. You can create video ads. And by the way, all of these are templates. So imagine you can select one of these templates and then just change the text, change the branding, and boom, you have video in just seconds. And then you can also create listicles. And like all other tools, it is a freemium tool, which means you can use this tool for free, but if you like it and if you want to check out all the bells and whistles, you can upgrade to one of the paid plans. So here you go. So you can, on the free plan, you can create 5 videos per month in 720p, which is great. But if you want more access, if you want 1080p or more videos, you can upgrade to one of these plans. And $20 per month, that's a good deal. All right, so now let's log in. And by the way, the link to this tool will be in the description below, so make sure you click on that and check it out. And yes, it is my affiliate link, but I am a big fan of InVideo. I use this on a daily basis for myself and also for my clients. All right, so I'm gonna sign in. I already have an account. And for one of our existing clients, we are creating some campaigns, or we're creating some videos for their campaign, and it's basically a tutoring service. So let me show you. We'll do an actual video right now. How about that? So we'll use InVideo and create a short promo video for their Facebook and Instagram. All right, so when you log into the tool, so here's the inside of InVideo, and basically you have 3 options. So you can convert your script to a video. So imagine if you have a blog article and some bullet points, 7 tips to do XYZ, you can bring those 7 tips and create an amazing video. The option number 2, and this is the focus of today's video, I'm gonna cover the script to video in a separate demo in more detail, but today we're gonna talk about how to use the ready-made templates to create amazing promo, product videos, video ads, social media videos, and more. So that's option number 2. And then option number 3 is you can completely start from a blank slate and then create your videos like that. So option number 1, you bring your script and convert that into a video. Option number 2, you use one of their existing templates and in seconds you create amazing social media videos, and that's the focus of this video. And then option number 3, you can start with a blank canvas and really do anything that you want. And then also you can upload your images and videos. So all right, so we're gonna go with option number 2, and here is different options. So you can pick the video format: horizontal, square, vertical, all. Let's go with square, and then it's gonna give you in just few seconds. Let me resize this window. It's gonna give me ready-made templates that I can use to create my video. And let me go and bring the text that I want to use. All right, so here we go. And this is where I would say take your time. And if I take my mouse on these templates, you'll see it's actually gonna show me what that template is like. How cool is that? Look at that. And then also it's for hotel testimonials, travel the world. You can go through these and pick the one, take your time, pick the one that you like the best. And then also here are different categories. So if you want to do Instagram videos, you can do that. Video ads, Instagram stories. It's not going to show anything here because I have square selected. So if I go select all, now that's the right format for Instagram stories, the vertical. I believe it's 9:16. Testimonials, and then bumper ads. All right, so let's go back here and let me just pick something. All right, let's go with one of these templates. Let's select this one. And then it's the square format. Start with this template, and then we'll modify this template to make the videos that we want to make. And the video I want to make actually right now in this demo is for one of our clients. It's a tutoring company, so we'll get some text from their website, and I'll show you how easy it is to take one of these templates and quickly swap different elements. You can replace their videos, the text, and all the other stuff, and quickly make amazing social media videos. All right, first of all, so as you see at the bottom, there are two different scenes. What I'd like to do is I'm going to delete one of them. I want to keep it super simple. You can basically add as many scenes as you want. The other thing I want to show you, so on the left hand side, so here's the media tab. You can search and add video, images, different, you can add enhancements, so like sticker, icons. You can add music, you can add text, you can upload your own images and videos easily. And then on this side is basically the editing option, so different layers inside your video, you can edit those and do a lot of cool stuff. All right, first of all, since the video we want to make is for a educational company, so what I'm going to do is just search for something relevant. So I'm just going to say books. It's a tutoring company, so I'm just going to search for books, and let's see what I find. So this seems really relevant. I'm going to drag this on top. There we go. And then there are options. We can replace the existing media. We can add behind or add as a layer. So I'm just going to replace it. And then you can also select the times. So how much of this video do you want to use? There you go. So if I do preview, this is what it looks like right now. There you go. So obviously there's some text elements here that we can edit. All right, now let's go and change those. So we obviously replaced the media, which was the video, to make it more relevant to what we have. And now let's change the text elements. And if you look on this side, so you'll see the layers. So here are different layers, the media, text box, and then also the editing options. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually just, let's first change this, and I'm going to say summer tutoring. Let's make it, there you go. So as you can see, you can pretty much do anything that you want. This is what I love about InVideo. The templates are really, really flexible. And I'm going to replace this text with what I copied from their website. And by the way, I can also go to the text styles, change the font size. So let's make it 65. There you go. You can also change the colors. There's also animation options in the text box animation. There's so much awesome stuff you can do with this tool. And that's pretty much it. So now I want to go back. So there is this extra text here. Actually, let me go back here. You can kind of change the name of that text to whatever you want. I actually don't need it, I think, for this demo, so I'm just going to replace it or delete it. And that's it. Now let's bring this back. And that's it. Now if you go back here, there's some music options, so you can select from different options that you have here and change the background music. Now let me play this for you. It's a video preview. This is how it's gonna look like. Really cool. So you see how easy it is to pick an existing template. So everything is already there. The media is there, the text is there, the animation is there. We don't have to think. We have to just replace the media and change the text to what we want, the type of videos that we want to create, maybe for us, or if you work with different clients, you can, that's the ideal. All right, that's it. So once you're happy with everything, all you would do is hit the preview and export. And here's the duration. It's a 14-second video. And I don't know if you can hear the music on it, but there's a really nice music that we used. And I'm gonna hit export videos. And now it's gonna take a few seconds depending on how fast your internet connection is and also how long the video is. Let me X out. And it's processing. So it will take a few minutes to get this all done. But once it's done, you'll see something like this where you'll be able to, let me zoom in. You'll hit that icon and save this video on your computer and then use it on your social media channels like Facebook, Instagram. All right, this is it. This is how you can use InVideo and their existing templates to create amazing videos for your social media marketing. And like I mentioned, make sure the link is in the description below. Click on that link. Yes, it is my affiliate link, but I am a big fan of this product, this tool. It saves us so much time. We start with the templates and we can crank out videos in just a matter of minutes. So do check it out. They do have a free plan. Use that as well. And if you like it, if it's the tool that you love, then you can always think about upgrading. All right, now before you go, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I launch my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.